Alright guys, how's it going? Another episode of the shop. We're going to be doing some boat maintenance today, so we're going to be getting out in the sun and getting it ready for next weekend. So let's get to it. This is my Manta Ray 188. It's needing some maintenance today, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the foot oil, and we're going to do an oil change, fuel filter and oil filter change. Once we do that, we'll be ready for the water. Let's get to it. Alright, I've got a Mercruiser 4.3 inside, outside just a Mercruiser Alpha 1. You got the top gear oil hole up here, the bottom gear oil hole down here. Just like a differential, just gonna take the oil out, drain it, except you're gonna fill it from the bottom up instead of the top up. So we're gonna work on that right now and get it done. Alright, with a flathead screwdriver we're gonna find the bottom end. It's kind of low right now, but twist this off, like I said, just like a differential, and change this oil and get it everywhere. Alright, that's the bottom. Clean my hands off a little bit. Let's go up here to the top. Open it up. Now you can see that it's not drizzling anymore, it's actually pouring. Both plugs come out, and now we just let it drain and get prepared to fill it up after this. This is what all you need to change your gear oil, other than flathead screwdriver. Get you a gear lube pump. It comes with your little Yamaha adapter. Goes in the pump, or goes in the bottle, and screws in the bottom of the I don't even know what you want to call it. Once it starts draining out the top, you want to put this little plug back in before you stop pumping. Otherwise it'll go everywhere. Alright, now I'm taking out the bottom plug, and it's going to make a mess. So let's take this out. While I'm back here letting that drain, I'm going to hit up this Zerg fitting and this other one over here. Once I do that, it should move a little bit smoother. So it'll work. Doing an oil change on a 4.3 Mercruiser. The way you do it, that it's specified, is you do it through the dipstick. There's a threaded end on here for a suction pump, but we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to remove the dipstick, making sure there's no oil drippage anywhere. We're going to take a hose that fits snugly inside the tube, get it in there. It will not go in there any further. It is hooked to the pump, the same one we put the gear oil in. We're going to get the oil out by using the suction method. We have an oil can in here to get rid of the excess oil that we're not using anymore, the old oil, and then we'll replace it.
2,000 years later.
Well, after going to replace the oil filter on here, I found out it's the wrong oil filter. So this is way too wide. So I gotta go to the store and get another one. So let's go look and see what the other one is. I'm going to go to the store and get me one of these, a PH3980. Went to the store, got the correct one this time that I know of. I hope so. And we're going to go from there. Get this in there. Down here changing the fuel filter. There it is. Alright, so the only way I could get this thing off, it was turned on so tight. I don't have a oil filter wrench, which I need to get one. I used a pair of clamps. Just put it on there as tight as I could get it and started trying to turn it after turning it by hand, and it finally came off. Change my spark plugs. These are specific spark plug. We're going to see if this works, because none of my other stuff is working very well. So let's see how this goes. Alright guys, got done with the boat. Need some more work on it, interior wise. Got a few more things I got to do with it. But it's done for right now. It's done for my trip this weekend that I'm going to take. So hopefully everything goes good. Got my shirt, shop shirt. Tank top, excuse me. Got them in. Very comfortable, very nice material. I wanted to show some support to one of my fellow employees and friends, Bomberos Surfboards, if you can see that. He actually has a channel that I will put up, probably right here, and just go visit him, see how his stuff is. He works on VWs a lot. It's an up and coming channel. Show him some love, like his channel, or subscribe to his channel, like his videos. If you like this content that I'm doing, like, subscribe, and comment. Give me some input. Change some things. Maybe not. Maybe go further. We're going to work on it. We got a lot more projects in front of us. So let's get going. See you next time. I don't know why I keep trying to show you all my boobs. Let's redo this.